Hi, so I've just finished my lunch and now I'm filming the last video lah. So this is for maths. So this one we are going to make it easier lah. So we are just going to discuss this question, and then after that, other than that, the stats questions we discussed during class lor. Okay, so let's see 5A. They give you fx equals to x minus 2 and gx equals to x squared minus 25. Okay, find gfx in its simplest form. So this one, gfx, they are actually combining two functions. So this one we call it as composite function. So this one, gfx equals to, we square bracket the second function first, fx, and then after that we substitute x minus 2 into the square bracket lor. So g square bracket x minus 2 close square bracket, and then equals to, okay, then we substitute the square bracket into the x of the gx lah. So square bracket x minus 2 square minus 25, and then after that simplify it. Try to open up, remove the square sign first. So x square, this one we can use x plus a square equals to x square plus 2 times a times x, 2ax plus a square. So okay, x square minus 4x plus 4, and then minus 25. Simplify this part, 4 minus 25. So this one should be x squared minus 4x minus 21. This one will be your final answer. So write down the gfx first. So this one should be your final answer. Okay, and then let's look at B. Solve. Solve is always find x. So gfx equals to 0. So you just write down first lor. gfx equals to 0, and then copy down this one, x squared minus 4x minus 21 equals to 0. Okay, then you can press calculator. So this one, in the end you should get x equals to 7 or x equals to negative 3. Okay, so we do it from bottom to the top. This one we make it equal 0 both sides. So x, and then we move the 7 to the other side. So positive becomes negative, minus 7, and then negative move to the other side becomes positive. So x plus 3, and then after that put these two parts into bracket. So bracket x minus 7 close bracket open bracket x plus 3 close bracket equals to 0. So from this part, okay, let's look at A and B first. For A, okay, first mark should be at here. Second mark is your final answer. And then for B, first mark, okay, this one you should give first mark, second mark, but you have to do all the workings lah. Okay. I assume that you're already done writing lah. So let's look at C. Sketch the graph g of x. Okay. Indicate clearly where the x and y values where the x and y axis. So this means that you have to find out the x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay, so this one we already know that if the roots is 7 and -3 ma, and then now we have to find if this one when g of x equals to 0, we know that x equals to -3 or 7. But when x equals to 0, g of x equals to 0 squared minus 4 times 0 minus 21. This one you should get -21 lah. So this one we sketch out first. And then okay, this one the parabola graph you have to draw freehand, so that's why you see lah, I draw until not that nice lah. Okay, so this one -3, this one you put 7 lor. This one is x, g of x, and then -21. Now let me try again. Ayo. Actually these two the same lah, just that this one is more or less more similar to the exact ratio. Actually if you draw this also already get full marks. So let's look at D. Write GF in the form of this one, x plus a squared plus b. This one is, we have to do completing the square. Okay, and then after that you need to find values of a and b. So we already know that g of x equals to a x squared minus 4x minus 21, and then this one bracket first, x squared minus 4x minus 21. Okay, now the next thing that you need to do is remove the square ma. So x and then minus, this one we divide by 2, 4 divided by 2, so 4 over 2 lor. And then we remove this x also, and then square, and then minus 4 over 2 square, and then copy back down, minus 21, and then simplify it. X minus 4 divided by 2, you should get 2, and then close bracket square, minus 2 square, minus 21. Copy back down again to simplify it again. Negative 4, negative 21. And then negative 4, negative 21. You should get negative 25 ma. So listen, close bracket square, minus 25. This one is GFX lah. Okay. And then after that, this one, we have to compare ma. X plus A square plus B. So we know that A equals to negative 2, B equals to negative 25. Okay, so D. Okay, 1 mark will be at here. Second mark, third mark. Okay, then let's look at E. Write the minimum point. For the graph, y equals to gfx. So actually this one lah, the minimum point. So should be over here lah. Okay, this one right. Actually very easy lah. When you already get completed the square form. So this one we already know ma, gfx equals to y equals to square x minus 2 square minus 25. So this one, negative 25 is straight away the y value. And then this one is the negative of x value. So therefore, minimum point is negative of negative 2. So negative 2 ma, cut 2. And then negative 25. This will be your final answer, 1 mark. Okay. Write down the equation of the line of symmetry for this, for the graph lah. So this one right, you can just write the x value, x equals to 1, equals to 2, or you can derive from this part. X minus 2 equals to 0, and then when you move negative 2 to the other side, you will get x equals to 2. So this will be your 1 mark lah, and your final answer. So that is all for number 5. And then that's all for this session first lor.